Hey y'all, it's Elizabeth and Elaine here with Boggs Realty, and this is our newest listing, 13 Wythe. Let's check it out. Okay, let's go.
Now, one of the things that I loved about this house, I sold this house to the current owners a few years ago, and now of course it's up for sale again. But the one thing I loved about this house was the space and the tall ceilings. Not feeling cramped at all, and it has so many rooms, and it's just a beautiful home. And we've just taken the price down a notch to be more competitive in the market. But right now we're in the dining room here, and it has beautiful wainscoting all the way around, and it's a good sized dining room, wood laminate flooring throughout all downstairs.
Alright, now we are in this beautiful kitchen here. As you can tell, we have a lot of natural light coming in here. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. We have a beautiful subway tile backsplash there. And to the left of this kitchen, you have a walk-in pantry that already has some shelving in it. So check it out. We have a little mudroom here, which is nice when you're coming in from the garage. We have a tile floor in here, and again, we're just surrounded by natural light in this room. Welcome to the master bedroom. This huge bedroom can fit king-size bed and all the furniture you desire. This way, you walk into the master's little nook area, an extension to the master bedroom. Second bedroom here in the front of the home. We have a beautiful huge space here, and right over here behind us we have a closet. That is a nice walk-in closet with some shelves. A laundry room for you to hook up your washer and dryer. Now we're in the third bedroom. We hit the hallway again, and we have another full bathroom here. This bathroom has a tub shower combination, our commode, and our vanity with our sink there. And final bedroom here at the front of the home. Again, more than enough natural light coming through here. This room is also equipped with a closet. Now, let's go back downstairs and check out the outside. Come on. To the backyard of 13 Wythe. This backyard is fully fenced in with a wooden privacy fence, perfect to entertain all night long. Check it out.
Thank you so much for walking through this beautiful home at 13 Wythe today. We look forward to receiving phone calls from your viewers who would love to see this beautiful home and make it yours. Just give us a call.